scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is what I'm going to do. I wanted to make sure that the 1,000 subscribers stuck, and around December 30th is when I hit 1,000. And now I'm roughly up to 1,050, so I figured it was about time to do my giveaway. And so I decided to do two parts. The first part is going to be for my US subscribers only, and it's only because the company that I am using only ships in the United States due to my website. And it's going to be for close to my heart. Now, I am going to do a $50 giveaway for my US subscribers only. And then my second part of this is a $50 subscriber giveaway, like a $50 gift card to a cherry on top for my international subscribers. So I wanted to do it in two different parts. And they are open to anybody and everybody on my list. And so what I want you guys to do is on my comments down below, first you have to subscribe. That's your first thing. You have to subscribe. And then the second thing is I want you guys to go back through my layouts and look and see which one you like the best. Just comment down below on which one you like. If you follow me on a daily basis or weekly basis or whatever, just comment which ones you like. If it's not, and I just need you to write down United States or international so that when I go back through my comments, I can break it up into either one or the other. Okay? It'll make it easier for me to know if you're international or if you are US. So the two parts again are United States is $50 to my Close to My Heart website, whatever it is, all on me. And then the second part is $50 to a cherry on top for my international. Because I want to be able to hit both, and that's the easiest way to hit both. Because you can go to my website, I can ship straight out for Close to My Heart that you're in the United States. I take up the tab, ship it right to you, easy peasy. The international side, it's easier for me to just log you on to a cherry on top, let you do your ordering and take care of it. All I ask is for an email if you're the winner. I just ask for your email and then I pop it in there, and within 2-3 minutes you got your gift card, and you can do whenever and whatever you want. So it makes it easy. I absolutely love that you guys are all my subscribers. It is fun for me to do what I'm doing. I have major goals for the year of 2019. My little word that I am using is determination, and I am going to get to 3,000 subscribers. So along with all of this, my goal is to be by December of this year at 3,000 subscribers. I would love to be able to do a giveaway around July at 2,000. And then at 3,000 around December to do again. And my giveaways are pretty good. I feel that they're pretty good. Donating or giving away $100 for a giveaway on YouTube, on point. That's at least for me. But I am 110 gazillion% amazed and loved and adored the fact that you have been here with me. For the ladies and gents that have been at the very beginning, I love that. If you're new to my channel, stay tuned. There's tons of different stuff. Other than that, start commenting down below. Make sure that you at least list that you're either a United States person or an international, so that I can be able to hit both of you guys and be able to break it up. And then I will come back on here until you have till, let's do the 20th. You have till the 20th to document everything. Comment down below, and then I will give the giveaway so that February you guys can go on and get your stuff. Okay? Other than that, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I absolutely love that you guys are here. And start commenting so that you can get your giveaway. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!